Millions rely on insulin every day, but few have ever seen the journal that keeps them alive. From rewritten DNA to living factories working at massive scale, every molecule purified, every drop measured, nothing left to chance. This isn't just engineering, it's time delivered in a vial. Behind these walls lies the secret to a life-sustaining miracle.
A century ago, a diagnosis was a death sentence. Today, it is a manageable condition.
Millions of lives depend on a biological ballet that never stops.
To create it, we must enter a world of absolute purity.
Precision is not just a goal, it is the only way. Welcome to the heart of the invisible blueprint. At its core, insulin is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Every drop counts. From the busiest cities to the most remote villages, the demand is global. But how does a single cell become a life-saving drug?
It begins with the most complex blueprint ever written: DNA.
Deep within the cold, the seeds of life are kept.
Specialized E. coli, or yeast cells, modified to speak the language of insulin.
The process is delicate. A single mistake can ruin the batch.
The cells are brought back to life in a controlled environment.
They begin to multiply, doubling their numbers every few hours.
Constant monitoring ensures the colony is thriving.
From a single vial, we prepare for the Biological Ballet.
The stage is set.
These 20,000-liter bioreactors are the womb of the process. We breathe life into the cells via microscopic technology. Precision pumps deliver a constant stream of nutrients.
Sensors act as the nervous system, monitoring the environment in real time.
Perfect mixing ensures no cell is left behind. Scaling up from a flask to thousands of liters. Pressure is maintained to keep the cells active. The cells are now living factories, churning out the raw essence of insulin. Human oversight guides the biological machine. Gentle agitation ensures every cell gets the nutrients it needs. Samples are taken every hour.
We check for health and productivity.
The ballet reaches its crescendo.
The cells have reached peak density.
It is time to harvest the life-saving cargo.
The raw mixture begins its journey through the gauntlet.
But this mixture is not yet medicine. We must separate the gold from the dust. Filtration at the microscopic level.
The cells are gone. Only the protein remains.
Cooling the essence to preserve its structure.
Stability is key.
The biological ballet ends, and engineering begins.
A balance of biology and physics.
It is concentrated, but not yet pure. We are looking for a specific molecular signature. Automation ensures that nothing is contaminated by human touch. Every movement is calculated.
The next stage, the purification gauntlet.
Where good becomes perfect. Purification begins at the molecular level on this chromatography skid. Automated valve blocks direct the golden cut of the batch. EFF systems concentrate the protein, washing away the final impurities.
Light sensors detect the exact moment the insulin reaches peak purity.
Thermal management keeps the delicate proteins from denaturing.
The peak represents 99.9% purity.
Pure. Powerful.
Quality control is the gauntlet that never ends.
The HPLC machine checks for even a single atom out of place.
Test after test. Layer after layer of security.
It must be sterile, free from any life other than its own.
In some cases, the liquid is turned into a stable powder. Freeze drying. Preserving the essence for the long journey.
Concentrated life.
Returning to its liquid form, ready for the world. The final formulation. Adding the ingredients that make it safe for the human body.
Even a milligram matters.
Perfect homogeneity.
Checking the light bending properties to confirm restorative concentration.
Engineering the essence means mastering the molecular level.
Every component, even the stopper, must be flawless.
Eliminating every microscopic threat.
The glass must be as pure as the medicine it holds.
Heat so intense, it destroys any remaining impurities.
Ready for the filling line.
This is the Grade A zone, the cleanest place on Earth. The filling process is a feat of robotic timing, precisely measured to the microliter. Sealed against the world.
Permanent protection.
Centrifugal forces check for seal integrity. Visual inspection, faster than the human eye can see. Nothing less than perfection is accepted. The essence has been engineered. Now, it must be delivered. From essence to vitality. The star wheel synchronizes the movement of thousands of vials. A nitrogen blanket protects the insulin from oxidation. Hermetic sealing, the final barrier between the drug and the world. Every single vial is weighed to ensure dose accuracy. Indestructible batch coding for 100% traceability.
Robotics handle the speed. Humans handle the soul.
The final check is always human.
Efficiency ensures that the price of life remains accessible.
The rhythm of the automated line.
Protecting the shipment from the elements.
Ready for the world.
The cold chain must never be broken. Constant vigilance. Leaving the facility. Vetting to hospitals, pharmacies, and homes. Across every climate. Through every challenge.
For those across the oceans.
The journey ends here.
A daily ritual that buys time. A painless connection to health.
Freedom to live.
Freedom to grow old.
Freedom to push limits.
Education and medicine, hand in hand.
They end.
Our promise delivered.
The scale of production is a logistical marvel.
Every second, 1,000 doses are born. A global network of survival.
We are string T, but we aren't stopping here.
Imagine insulin that knows when you need it.
Sustainable, precise, and life-changing.
A 1,000 minds focused on one goal.
Because every life is worth the engineering. The ballet continues.